Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError, unsupported operand types /str and int. This error occurs when you are trying to perform division between a string and an integer, which is not a valid operation in Python. Here is an example of code that could produce this error. When you run this code, you will get this kind of error. In this example, the variable x is a string and the variable y is an integer. When we try to divide x by y and assign the result to z, Python raises the TypeError, unsupported operand types /str and int error because it cannot perform division between a string and an integer. To fix this error, you need to convert the string to an integer before performing the division. You can use the int function to do this. Here is the corrected code. Now let's run this code. Here is the results. In this corrected code, we use the int function to convert the string 100 to the integer 100. Now we can perform division between 100 and 5 and assign the result to z. The code should now run without any errors and output the result of 20.0.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.